In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meet Now feature in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to set up a quick impromptu meeting or connect with your colleagues efficiently, Meet Now is a fantastic way to facilitate those instant gatherings. Let's dive into the process and make it as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to start by signing in to Microsoft Teams. Navigate to the Teams sign-in page using your web browser or desktop app. Enter your login credentials and make sure you have your email and password handy. It's also a good idea to ensure that you're using the latest version of Microsoft Teams, as this ensures you have access to all the newest features and security updates. Once signed in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard or Teams interface. Depending on your previous activity, you may see various options. For our purpose, focus on the chat section. Select the group chat that is relevant for your meeting. This is a crucial step because you want to ensure that the participants you want to meet with are already included in that chat. Next, look for the Meet Now option. This is usually located at the upper right corner of the chat window and is represented by a small camera icon. Clicking this initiates an immediate meeting session. Meet Now is perfect when you need real-time communication without scheduling ahead of time. Being able to instantly move from a chat to a video call can significantly improve collaboration and productivity. Before you officially start your meeting, make sure your video and audio settings are configured correctly. Check that your microphone and camera are toggled on and functioning properly. This step ensures that all participants can hear and see you clearly, which is critical for effective communication. Once your setup is ready, you can invite additional participants. Simply copy the meeting link generated by the Meet Now session and share it with anyone who needs to join. This flexibility allows you to accommodate last-minute attendees, making your meetings more inclusive and dynamic. And there you have it. You've successfully used the Meet Now feature in Microsoft Teams. Remember, the key to successful meetings is preparation and ensuring your settings are optimized for clear communication. This way, your virtual meetings will be both efficient and productive. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next guide, and happy teaming!